This is the WORKPRO socket bottle opener. Company sent me this product so I could check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. Came in some nice looking packaging. Its own little area in there, very nice. Is it a key ring? Is it a 3/8 inch drive 10mm socket? Is it a bottle opener? It's all three in one. Okay, enough of that. This is actually a really cool idea, I think. And as far as keychain ornaments go, you can't do much better than good old CRV steel. Common alloy steel used to manufacture primarily stuff like sockets, high-strength hand tools, wrenches, ratchets. So I'm not going to be too concerned about dropping this one. Basically what you have here is a 6.10mm socket with a bottle opener cut into it. What is holding the keychain section to the drive socket, you ask? Well, it's a 3/8 inch drive square with a retention ball, just like the one on your socket at home. So this thing is obviously compact and relatively lightweight. I like that it's rounded so it doesn't bug me when I put it in my front pocket. So let's say you're out one night on the beach having a party with your friends, because that's what you guys do, and they're like, oh no, we don't have a bottle opener. Bam! Bottle opener. Look at that. Perfect. Thing actually works pretty well. Really smooth. No more seatbelt or big lighter for me. Another scenario where this might come in handy. Let's say you're out with your friends on the beach and someone's like, oh no, I need a 10mm socket. Bam! 10mm socket. And you're good to go. I actually have no idea what kind of torque you can put on this. I'm assuming that cutting a section out of it is going to compromise the strength rating, but bottle opener it is. So there you go. You can even attach this to a tool bag. Doesn't have to be a key ring, right? So this would be great for probably mechanics, tradesmen, that DIY guy, you know, repair techs, all kinds of ideas. Very nice.